Hello everybody, now we are going to solve problem number 1.23 from Fundamentals of Electric Circuits by Alexander and Sodikio's 5th edition. Problem is, a 1.8 kilowatt electric heater takes 15 minutes to boil a quantity of water. If this is done once a day and the power costs 10 cents per kilowatt hour, what's the cost of its operation for 30 days? The question is, what is the cost? This is the question. And what are all the data given here? This is 1.8 kilowatt electric heater takes 15 minutes to boil a water. Okay, so this from the unit you can understand what is being given. Okay, so kilowatt, so it is nothing but the power. So P is equal to 1.8 kilowatts. And how much time it is taking? The time it is taking 15 minutes. And again, what another data given here? It is the power cost 10 cents per kilowatt hour. So it must be energy, right? Because the unit given is per kilowatt hour. Okay, so the cost is given as 10 cents per kilowatt hour. Okay, what is the cost of operation for 30 days? So it is given for 15 minutes per day. So how many days it is to be calculated? We need to calculate it for 30 days. So 30 days means it is 15 minutes per day multiplied by this 30. So it is equal to how much minutes? Actually 450 minutes. Now we want to convert it into hours, right? 450 minutes make how many hours? Divided by 60 will give you that, right? So that is equal to 7.5 hours. So for 30 days it is actually working for 7.5 hours. So how much work is done on that? Work done is that power into that hours, right? So how much work done or the energy? Work done is that power into time, right? So here it is, power is already given here as 1.8 kilowatts multiplied by this time taken is 7.5 hours. So this much kilowatt hours, right? So this is equal to 13.5 kilowatt hour. But what is the cost? Even it is 10 cents per kilowatt hour. So the total cost for 30 days, so 10 cents per kilowatt hour multiplied by the work done or the energy. Okay. So this is equal to 135 cents. So if you want to convert it into dollars, it is $1.35. So this is the answer. Okay, thank you. Hope you have understood.